Assalamu alaikum, this is Deanna with Lessons from the Gulf, where I share ways to help children understand the Quran through meaningful hands-on learning. Today I wanted to share a simple step-by-step way to teach Surat Al-Faatiha so children can understand it more deeply. Instead of teaching this entire surah all at once, I like it to break it down into small, meaningful parts. The first step is helping children understand the meaning of the surah. Even a simple explanation of each ayah helps them connect to what they are reciting. Next is to learn a few key vocabulary words. This helps children recognize what they are saying, especially in their salah. Next is to ask simple questions like, what are we asking Allah for? What does it mean to be guided? And finally, giving children something hands-on helps them interact with the surah. When they open and read and explore, they remember it better. This is one of the reasons why I created this lab book, to help guide children through these steps in a simple and meaningful way. I offer the Surat Al-Faatiha lab book for free. Link is in the description box below. May Allah place barakah in our efforts and allow our children to grow deeply connected to His book. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.